guys.
Are you a coach struggling to get clients without spending money on ads? In this video, I'll show you how to use Systeme.io to build a simple client acquisition funnel that works 24/7. This tutorial will show you how to use Systeme.io to attract and convert clients organically. Step 1. Create a landing page. The first step is to create a landing page. In Systeme.io, click Funnels, then Create, choose the Build an Audience goal, and select a landing page template. Your landing page should clearly explain who you help, what problem you solve, what transformation clients can expect, and a strong call to action like book your free strategy call. Step 2. Add a lead capture form. Next, add a form to collect your visitors' names and email addresses. Offer something valuable in exchange, such as a free guide, checklist, or mini training. This helps you build an email list of potential clients. Step 3. Create a thank you page. After someone submits the form, redirect them to a thank you page. Thank them for signing up and encourage them to book a free consultation using your preferred scheduling tool. Step 4. Share your landing page. Now it's time to drive free traffic. Share your landing page on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Instagram bio, YouTube video descriptions, Quora, Medium articles. Focus on helping people with valuable content and naturally direct them to your landing page. Step 5. Follow up with your leads. When someone joins your email list or books a call, follow up consistently. Share useful tips, success stories, testimonials, and invite them to schedule a coaching session. Consistent follow-up builds trust and increases your chances of turning leads into paying clients. With just a landing page, a lead form, and consistent free traffic, you can start generating coaching leads without spending money on ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Systeme.io tutorials designed for